The diversion of forest land to build a mine requires a different legal procedure from the one required to establish a wildlife sanctuary, which in turn is different from the one required to manage the forest for the production of timber or other forest produce. You will learn how communities can use these laws and procedures to participate in the governance of forests.
So I think diversion and acquisition are processes that are very clearly looking to change what is happening in a place. So there is already a set of activities taking place. It could be a completely greenfield area where there has been no infrastructure or extractive projects in the past, or it could be a brownfield area where there have been several projects ongoing, and projects are looking for expansion. So I think in each of these cases, these processes which have laid out certain procedures in the law start off very differently on the ground. I mean, for instance, a greenfield place where people don't have a knowledge of what is really coming up, often it would start with somebody coming in and collecting samples, and you would not know why a drilling machine is coming in. If you ask, you will be often told, who are you to ask? We've got permissions. If a paper is shown, you will not know really what is written on the paper and how is it linked to a law for acquisition or a law for diversion. So I think some of those basic questions need to be addressed when these processes are initiated in a space. And often when it comes to scoping exercises, there is absolutely no obligation that the private sector or the government projects have to really share. The local panchayats can definitely ask. They do ask, but often it's brushed aside because the collector would be there or saying that very very cursorily it would be responded to. So in both these processes, this is one of the first things that happens.